Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 116 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. We are coming into the home stretch here with exercise 170, and we're going to continue with our arpeggiations.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So exercise 170 is a little tricky because we go up on these scale degrees arpeggiations, which seems totally natural and we're totally used to doing it. Then on the way down, it changes a little bit. So we're going to have to check out these intervals. So we've got F sharp to B, then coming down. Seems normal, right? Then B to F sharp coming down. Then we've got this F sharp to D sharp coming down. Then D sharp to B coming down. Okay, so let's give this a try and see what we've got. And here is exercise 170. All right, so I did take a breath before the last one. We might want to speed that up, put that all in one breath, but you know, we did it. So that is what matters.